to receive USDT on Binance, step by step. So to receive USDT on Binance, open the Binance app or website, then log into your account. Now tap wallet at the top of your screen. Now as you can see, you need to verify your account first to receive the USDT on Binance. Since I haven't been verified, so I won't be able to show step by step, but at least I can tell you guys verbally how to do it. Now once you go to the wallet, select deposit and then choose deposit crypto, then search for or select USDT from the coin list and then choose the transfer network carefully. Now remember that the network you select in Binance must match the network chosen on the sender's wallet or exchange, or your funds may be permanently lost. Then copy the generated alphanumeric wallet address or save the QR code, or send this address or QR code to the person sending you funds, or paste it into your external personal wallet's withdrawal or send section and wait for blockchain network confirmations. Your USDT will appear in your spot or funding wallet once processed. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.